Hello. Welcome to my Food Love channel. In this video I will show you how to make pasta chips at home. I would be very happy if you like the video before moving on to our video. First of all, we need to boil the pasta. We put our tecker in your stove and add 1 liter of water. When the water boils, add salt and throw the pasta. Cook for about 6 minutes. When the pasta is boiled, put it in a strainer and rinse with cold water to stop cooking. Now we put the boiled pasta in a deep bowl and add flour and starch to it. Stir well. Now we will fry the pasta in oil. In a saucepan, heat the vegetable oil about 200 degrees. When the oil is heated, pour small amounts of pasta into it and fry until golden brown. When the pasta is gilded, take it out and put it on a napkin plate so that there is no excess oil on the plate. We put the fried pasta in a deep bowl and add the spices. You can add whichever spices you like. I added garam masala, chili peppers and cumin. And now we mix it well. Bon appétit! Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to be informed about more delicious recipes. If you want us to cook your favorite dishes, you can write in the comments section.